What's the meaning of bidirectional? Bidirectional. Bidirectional.
Bidirectional. Bidirectional. Bidirectional refers to a process or communication that can occur in both directions. In other words, information can flow back and forth between 2 points. This can apply to various fields such as computing, linguistics, transportation, and more. For example, bidirectional communication is essential in networking and data transfer protocols where both the sender and receiver need to exchange data. In linguistics, bidirectional texts are those that can be read and written from left to right or right to left. Bidirectional transportation systems, like trains or buses that can travel in both directions, are useful for moving people or goods efficiently. Overall, bidirectional implies versatility and flexibility in different contexts.